What's up, guys? It's Nick from Full Throttle Cars here in Palm Springs, California. I'm going to be doing some car spotting, so yeah, we'll just jump right into it. The Carrera GT, Porsche Carrera GT, one of the best sounding V10s in the world. The manual, check this thing out. But then we have the Aventador SV right beside it. This thing is so sick. Then we have one Ford GT, two Ford GTs, McLaren. And we have the gray Aventador, and then the Saline S7. Very rare. Look at all the Aventadors. We are here at CNC Motors. Yeah, I know. We got the Aventador Roadster. Check this out. Dad. The Aventador Roadster. Check out the seats. $599 right here. This is sick. We've got some Gallardos over here. We got some, I believe, GT3 RSs. We'll go check those out. Check out this Liberty Walk F430. This thing is sick. Got that carbon fiber splitter. And we've got the GT3 RS. Check out the interior on the GT3 RS. We've got 3 of them in here. I think, or 4 of them, my bad. I like this blue one the best. Got the white one. Then we've got the yellow one. And the orange one. Then we've got the Audi R8 behind it. V10 Audi R8. Many Bentleys, some Porsches, and old NSX back there. F430 Scuderia with the carbon fiber mirrors. Check out the inside. Yeah. Aston Martin. I believe Vanquish, yeah. Let's check out the Vanquish. Many Porsches, Bentleys. This is quite a color here. We've got some McLarens over there with a 570 12C as well. Check out this green on this 911. Yeah, the SLS. This thing is sick. Yeah. Check out this SLS AMG. This is sick. some Lotuses, an Alfa Romeo 4C. Oh, we've got a 911. Check out the carbon fiber on this hood here. See that carbon fiber weave? If I'm not mistaken, this is a 911 GT2 RS. Pretty sick GT2 RS. Carbon fiber hood. Awesome. So we've got an R8 right there. V10 R8 as well. Go check out this Camaro here. I believe 60s, 68, yep. I want to say 69, but check out the engine in here. The LS3. This thing is clean. GTO as well. We've got a Shelby Mustang. Oh, we've got the Viper right beside it as well. Check out this Shelby Mustang. With the supercharger right there. We've got a Dodge Demon. Check out this 840 horsepower. This thing is sick. Look at these tires on the back. They're massive, massive. We got another Viper right there as well. El Camino. Shelby. Oh, we got a Shelby Cobra back there as well. That's pretty cool. We got a nice GTR right here. Check out the interior. Cool M3 as well. Corvette. We got a couple more SLS Mercedes AMGs right here. This one here does not have the gull wing doors though because it is a roadster, but this one does. Got the gull wing doors. 6.3 liter V8. Ferrari 612. Got the ZL1 Camaro as well. Some Bentleys, some Aston Martins over here, some couple Gallardos it looks like as well. Check out this DB9 here. That floor slippery, watch out. Aston Martin DB9. We've got a 458 right here. Right by a couple 430s. A couple Scuderias also. Didn't realize that, so I just thought about it. We've got another 458. 458. Some Californias. Got an FF, I believe. A couple FFs. Then we've got the 458 Speciale over here. And a couple F12 TDFs. Check out the Speciale. F12 TDF. Got the Ford GT right here as well. Walked by this earlier, we didn't take a peek inside though. A couple more GTs over here. Then we've got the yellow LaFerrari, as well as the red one over here. I know the red one is $3.8 million. I believe this one is around 3.3, I want to say. Then we've got the 918, Porsche 918, 918. Pretty awesome as well. Go take a quick look inside of it, then we're gonna go check out the Bugatti Veyron. Check out all the carbon fiber on top. And the wing in the back here. The Bugatti Veyron. The Bugatti Veyron, this is so cool. It's got the red interior as well. You can see the, check out the carbon fiber in the hood. Alright guys, so that is going to do it for this video. If you enjoyed, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.